Hey guys, so today we are doing a fire alarm tour in a factory. So we got a system sensor mask outside. It's I think it's a weatherproof. Okay, so we're in the factory. There's a Spectrular Classic right there. And there's a megaphone. I'm not really sure what it's called. Another Spectrular Classic system sensor. No Spectrular Classic. It's a megaphone back there. It's so weird. This one's mounted vertical or I don't know. I don't know. It's pretty weird. This Spectrular Classic is mounted the wrong way. Give another view. Another view of the sideways Spectrular Classic. It's pretty weird. It's pretty loud in there. Alright. This is so stupid. This is mounted. The Spectrular Classic is mounted sideways. This is probably the most stupidest thing they ever mounted. They're supposed to mount it originally. Alright, there's a egg sign. Alright. Alright. Okay, so you got the no egg sign. Okay. Lights are automatic when you walk. Pretty cool. Alright. Fire extinguisher. Egg sign. Alright. There's a Simpsons Spectrular Classic right there. And an egg sign. Another Simpsons L series. I think this might be the annunciator. I'm not sure what it's called though. Put the intention in the video. There's some sensor horn strobe. Take a little view on it. At it. All right. Pretty cool. Got Spectrular, known as the System Sensor L series strobe. Fire extinguisher. Also a sim sensor over there. It's one in that room over there. Spectrular. No, I keep saying Spectrular. I don't know. It's a sim sensor L series. I don't know why I keep saying Spectrular because I'm not sure why I keep saying spectacular. I'm not sure why. Because I started seeing spectacular classic. Now I'm saying sometimes they're L series. Pretty weird. I get kind of mixed up. L series. All right, here we go. Since it's the L series, we got a zoom sensor spectacular Vance horn strobe, and it's on 110 candela. And there's the fire panel in there. Not sure what's called though. Just comment down below. I would appreciate it. There's a, not sure you can see it. There's a zoom sensor L series back there. Let's look at it. I can't really see. Yeah, I can't see it very well. There's a zoom sensor L series horn strobe. This one's 110 candela. There's a Honeywell 6700 fire alarm control panel. X sign. There's a emergency light, and there's a zoom sensor L series 110 candela strobe. Emergency light. Got a smoke detectors. And your Honeywell smoke detectors. In our horn strobe, L series. We got X sign. Our L series. Got a speaker. It's like an intercom speaker. We got fire extinguisher. We got zoom sensor L series. Look at this video, it looks really nice. It's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet in here. I'm not sure what that thing is called. And there's Honeywell smoke detector. No. Okay. Next slide. Our Honeywell smoke detector, 5-panel. We got another zoom sensor L series strobe and 110 candelas. I thought I kind of missed. I thought these alarms are on 15, but I thought they're basically on 110. All right, and we got another zoom sensor mass, weatherproofed, and that's the fire alarm tour, guys. Make sure, so I'm hitting 100 subscribers, and if I hit 100 subscribers, then I'll probably think about making a new intro. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Have a good day, everyone.